He's from Thailand. Because I hired him. Oh, it's cold. I love the winter. Do you love winter?
Yeah.
Winters. Oh, it's so cold. So nice. We're here. And how was your flight? Good?
Yes, it's really good. I'm here about 6 in the morning, and I go to London.
So you went around?
Yes, yes.
Nice. Jealous. Anyway, yeah, we're here. Excited. We're going to the hotel right now. Guys, so funny. We're not getting picked up in an Aston. So I'm currently in the UK. Pretty sure you guys are like, why is she doing UK? Why is she doing UK? So I'm actually in UK. Boarded the flight this morning, 13-hour flight straight. But it's a straight flight lah, so I didn't have to transit anywhere. My nose is like clogged up right now. I haven't had my nose running away from me in such a long time. Yeah, I know, very funny, right? I know I'm very funny. Yeah, so I'm in the UK for Aston Martin's brand immersion, and I'm so excited. Right now, a bit jet lagged, a bit tired, and this not helping. I want to sneeze all the time. But yeah, I'm so excited, and tomorrow we'll be going on Aston Martin's factory tour, be having interviews with them, so stay tuned for all the content coming up, and you'll see so many, and there's so many wagons here, so many cars here, so many things that we don't see in Malaysia, and I'm excited to share with all of you. So right now, I have to edit this video so that it comes out by tonight, so that all of you can see my pretty face. Yeah, I know the pimple's still here. Okay guys, see y'all soon. More of Aston Martin coming up in the next few days. Bye!